Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one we are going to be discussing how to fix Microsoft Store not downloading apps or not even opening. So with that being said, let's just jump right into the video. The process is going to be pretty simple, so make sure you follow around and you will get the fix along with that. So first of all, let's say if you head over to your search and here search for store, you can see we have Microsoft Store in here, and when we try to open it, it keeps on loading and loading and it is not opening up. So for that particular reason, we are going to be simply fixing that. You simply need to head over to your Windows search and search it here for run and press enter. You can see we have this little window just opened up. Here we are going to be simply typing this particular command prompt, ws reset.exe, and once you do, let me show you a little bit clearer. So you can see we have typed in here ws reset.exe. Once you type in that, simply click on OK and just wait for a couple of seconds, and you can see our when Microsoft Store is being launched up, and you can see it is launching nicely. So that is a fix for the first fix that you can simply try on, and if it is not working, you can move on to our next procedure, which is going to be another process of repairing and resetting our Microsoft Store. So for that particular reason, you simply need to head over to your search again, and here you are going to be simply searching for Microsoft Store. So let's say it pops up, and you simply need to right click on that, and you can see we have this option of settings, app settings in here. Click on that and it will be directed towards apps, installed apps, and Microsoft Store, and this is the place where we are going to be searching for our features. So you are going to be simply scrolling a bit down, and you can see in the resets it is saying if this app isn't working correctly, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. So you have two different features in here, or buttons in here, to repair it, or you can reset it. You can directly reset it as well, but I just suggest you first try to fix it. So simply click on this repair option, and you can see a loading screen is just loading up, and it is saying that it is repaired. So if you just simply repaired it, you can simply head over to your search again and head over to your Microsoft Store, simply launch it and see if it is working anymore. So for me it is working, but I am pretty much hopeful that it might be working for you as well, because it has just downloaded the fresh files and repaired it, and see if Microsoft Store had any corruptions. It just fixed all the directories and files. But let's say even though if it is still not working, what you can still do is simply click on this reset option. When you reset it, you can see it is saying this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So you can simply reset it if you want, but it is giving you the caution that it will permanently delete your app's data on your device. So you can simply click on reset and press this particular reset option, and once you do this whole procedure, you go back to your Microsoft Store again and see if it is working anymore. So yeah, that is our final fix, and I hope this works for you, since it is working for me as well, and Microsoft Store is opening and downloading apps normally. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video or liked the video or found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with friends. Thanks so much for watching, and see you around in the next video.